Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please, guys. Yes, boss. Other day I was talking about what design pattern? Prototype design pattern. Now time has come to go for what? Okay, JEE patterns, guys. Now time has come to discuss JEE patterns. Okay, JEE patterns. First we'll start with DAO. First we'll start with DAO. DAO is the major name, but today we'll see a lot of background preparation, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys, summary of important gang of 4 patterns. Summary of important gang of 4 patterns, guys. Summary of important gang of 4 patterns, guys. Tell me, what is the first one? What is the first one? Singleton class. Singleton class. Tell me. Allows us to create only one object for Java class in any situation. Allows us to create only one object for Java class in any situation. Super, guys. Next, factory provides abstraction on the object creation process. You asked single lines now, boss. Factory pattern. Next, factory method pattern, guys. Okay. If multiple factories are there, creating objects for same family classes. Creating objects for same family classes, guys. Come on. Creating objects for same family classes. Are you with me, guys? Then the factory method pattern provide set of rules, provides guidelines to factories. Guidelines to factories. Come on. Guidelines to factories to create objects. To create objects. Next, what, guys? Abstract factory. Abstract factory, guys. Super factory. Factory of factories. Factory of factories. It makes sure that okay, all factories are creating objects for same family classes. Objects for same family classes, guys, are related classes of same family. of same family. Related classes of same family, my dear. Next one. What is next one, guys? Guys, give me 2 minutes. Okay, guys. Now tell me, come back. Abstract template method. What is template method pattern, guys? What is template method pattern? What it says? What it says? Template method says what? Define algorithm specifying set of operations. Define algorithm specifying set of operations, specifying sequence of operations to complete the task. Sequence of operations to complete the task. Okay. Make super a class. Defining common operations and leave specific operations to subclasses. Leave specific operations to subclasses. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Next one, adapter pattern. Adapter pattern makes two incompatible applications interacting with each other. Okay. By doing, are you able to visualize when I write these single lines? Necessary conversions. By doing necessary conversions, guys. Next one, builder pattern. What is that, guys? Builder pattern. Tell me what is builder pattern, guys? Create complex object by combining multiple small objects. Step by step. Multiple small objects step by step. Okay. And step by step by separating their representation from creational process. So that come on, same process can be used. So that same process can be used to create different complex objects of same category. What is there in your mind? House builder is there or not there? Decorator or wrapper pattern, guys. Decorator or wrapper pattern. What it says, guys? Decorator or wrapper pattern. Okay. Add additional responsibilities. Add additional responsibilities. Decorator or wrapper pattern, guys. Add additional responsibilities through wrapping. Nothing but composition. Not by, come on, guys. Not by inheritance. Not by inheritance. Next one is what? Flyweight design pattern. Flyweight pattern. Flyweight pattern. While creating while creating bunch of bunch of related classes objects for multiple times. Okay. Design them by identifying intrinsic state and extrinsic state. Intrinsic state and extrinsic state. Design them by identifying intrinsic state and what? Extrinsic state, guys. Are you listening my statement, boss? Come on. Intrinsic state and extrinsic state. Intrinsic state means what? Shareable. What, guys? Non-shareable. State. And keep the objects in cache and reuse them as needed. Reuse them as needed. Okay. Next one is what? Proxy DP. Proxy DP. Understanding my statement, guys? Proxy DP. What is proxy pattern? Add additional responsibilities. Okay. Responsibilities through proxy class. Proxy class which looks like real class. Add additional responsibilities on temporary basis through proxy class which looks like real class, guys. Which looks like real class. Next, what is next one? Prototype pattern, guys. Prototype pattern. Array, what gang of for English used, I don't mind. What I understood, what I interpreted, I am giving to you people. And in the interview room also, you use the same terminology. If you use hi-fi English of gang of for textbook terminologies, opposite person thinks that you are a mug-up master. Array, who remembers high-end vocabulary and speaks, Babu? First of all, when you speak, opposite person should recognize, should understand, right? Okay. You should reflect what you understood. You should reflect what you interpreted on that discussion, right? Prototype pattern. Yeah. If there is a need of creating more objects for related classes, okay, then don't create them. Don't create them from scratch level. prefer creating them using cloning process. Prefer creating them using cloning process, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Singleton class, factory pattern, factory method pattern, abstract factory, template method pattern. I hope are you able to build remaining story based on this guy. Flyweight pattern, proxy pattern, prototype pattern. Yeah, many other patterns are there, guys, but these are the important gang of four patterns which are quite regularly used in the industry. Okay, our next discussion is JEE patterns. Given by Sun Microsystem, addressing the problems of Trilochan Das, 23 patterns are there na in gang of four in 3 categories. Guys, give me 2 minutes. Yeah, given by Sun Microsystem, addressing the problems of, come on, guys. Given by Sun Microsystem, addressing the problems of, what is that? Simply addressing the problems of layered application development. Layered applications development. Okay. Tell me, guys, JEE pattern catalog is having JEE pattern catalog is having, come on, guys. JEE pattern catalog is having three categories. Is having three categories. Yeah, tell me, guys, what are those? Business tier pattern, resource tier pattern, integration tier pattern, presentation tier pattern. I think I should open the initial days document to understand this in a better manner. Okay, 1 minute, guys. I'll make sure that I will. రేపు అవచ్చు, రేపు అవచ్చు. అది పని ఉందిలే నాకు రేపు. Okay, guys. Now tell me here. Yeah. A strategy pattern is missing. Fine, guys. You can write on your own. You want me to write strategy pattern? I will. Yeah. JEE pattern catalog. JEE pattern catalog, guys. Come on. Presentation tier patterns. Integration tier patterns. Business tier patterns. Come on. What are those? I will upload that PDF. Don't worry. Today only I will upload. Presentation tier patterns. Yes. Business tier pattern. And integration tier patterns. Presentation tier, business tier, and integration tier patterns, boss. Okay, JEE pattern catalog is having 3 categories, boss. How many categories, my dear? 3 categories are there. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Super, guys. Now tell me. I think I have given one video to you people to watch. If not watched by tomorrow, you please watch those videos, guys. I will tell the video URLs. I'll explain overview, but you want the detailed explanation about Java Bean and different types of Java Bean. I want you people to watch this video before coming to tomorrow's class. Yes, where is this? Where is this? Annotation fundamentals. I think some of my students already watched these videos, no doubt in that. Git tutorial. Where is Java Bean, guys? Java Bean. Yeah, Java Bean videos. Please save them. What is the Java Bean? Types of Java Beans. Everything we got it. Got the clarity, boss? Right. Yeah, people are asking, please share the PDF document of design pattern. Okay, as I promised at the end of Ganga 4 pattern, I'll share the document. So now time has come to share the document, guys. Okay, design patterns. Design patterns document. Code I already uploaded, my dear. Everyday code I am uploading that day itself. Where is that? A new introduction to Spring Boot? No. Where is my document? What is the document name? Okay, new design pattern. Now got it. New design pattern. Okay. New design pattern by Natras. Okay, let it be, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys, three types of Java beans. Three types of Java beans. VO class, A, B, DTO class, C, BO class. VO class, DTO class, BO. Value object class, guys. What, guys? Value object class. Tell me. The Java bean whose object holds input values or output values is called VO class. Whose object holds either input values or output values. Either input values or output values is called VO class. Is called VO class. Comfortable, guys? Come on. Right, guys. Generally, this class maintains all its properties as string properties, irrespective of the kind of data they hold. Irrespective of, come on, guys, the kind of data they hold, guys. Yes. Nice, boss. Now tell me here, what is the story? Student VO.java. Okay, I'll give conclusion on this. Wait. Yeah, public class student VO. Private string SNO. Private string SName. Private string M1, M2, M3. Yes. Here are my setters and getters. Here are my setters and getters, guys. Next, guys. DTO class. What class, guys? DTO class. What is DTO class, guys? Data transfer object class, guys. Yeah. The Java bean. Tell me. Yeah. The Java bean whose object holds. The Java bean whose object holds. Okay. Shippable, all transferable data. Either within the project or between the projects. Either within the project or between the projects. Within the project or between the projects. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Either within the projects or between the projects is called DTO class. Is called DTO class. Case 1. Case 1. Flipkart.com sends credit or debit card details to tell me PayPal. PayPal is what, guys? Payment broker. Come on, PayPal. Nothing but payment broker. Payment broker. PayPal. PayPal is nothing but what? Payment broker. In the form of DTO class object. And also gets transaction status details. Transaction status and other details. And other details. Tell me. Again in the form of, come on guys, another DTO class object. Again in the form of another DTO class objects. Right? Either within the project, across the multiple projects. When network is there, not there, come on, you will send the data in the form of DTO. Okay, now let's see guys. Public class card details info. It's recommended to implement serializable. Private int. Private long card number. Private string gateway. Payment gateway. Next. Private string expiry date. Oh, it should not be string, guys. Date. Date expiry date. Come on. Tell me, guys. Private. Private. What is the next one? CVV. Into CVV. Setters and getters. Setters and getters. Right, guys. DTO, guys. Next one, BO class. Also called model class. Also called domain class. Also called entity class, guys. Also called entity class. Tell me, guys. The Java bean whose object holds either persistable data or persistent data. The Java bean whose object holds either persistable data or what? Persistent data is called. Persistable means to be saved, guys. To be saved. Or persistent data collected from DB table columns. Collected from DB table records. Come on, guys. Is called BO class or entity class or domain class. Understanding my statement, guys? Generally, it will be taken on 1 per DB table basis. It will be taken on what basis, guys? 1 per DB table basis. It will be taken on 1 per DB table basis, guys. Okay, guys. 1 per DB table basis. 1 per DB table basis. Tell me guys, DB table in Oracle or MySQL. Tell me guys, what is this? This time employee is the table. ENOPKN. Next, ename varchar2. Ename varchar2. EADD varchar2. Next, eSalary number. eSalary float, whatever it is. Yeah, like this we have a table, guys. Now tell me how it will be prepared, guys. Public class. What is that? Public class employee DTO, not DTO, BO. BO implementing serializable is optional. Private int ENO. Private string ename. Next, private string EADD. Private float eSalary. Setters and getters. Setters and getters. Boss. Fine. Setters and getters, boss. What is that, my dear? Setters and getters. Setters and getters. Is that clear, my dears? Okay. Super. DB table in Oracle. Like this, it will be taken. Now tell me, guys. Layers in. What do you mean by layer, guys? Okay. We don't write employee bean, guys. Nowadays, we'll write with the name of that. Actually, some improvisation is there. Wait. What is layer? A layer is a logical partition. Logical partition in the application representing certain category logic. Representing certain category logic. Representing certain category logic. Understanding my statement? A layer is a logical partition in the application representing certain category logic consisting bunch of classes. Consisting bunch of classes. Certain category logic consisting bunch of classes, guys. Tell me. Standalone layered application. What is standalone layered application, guys? This is my client application. This is my controller class. This is my service class. This is my DAO class. This is my database software. This is my database software. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Right. Now tell me here what it contains, my dear. Presentation logic. What it contains? Presentation logic. What it contains, guys? Monitoring logic. Monitoring logic. Service class contains business logic. Business logic. The service class is also having one more name, guys. business delegate class. What class, guys? Business delegate class. Business delegate class. One and the same, guys. What it contains? Persistence logic. Persistence logic. What it maintains? Data. What it maintains? Data, boss. What it maintains? Data. What it maintains? Data. Okay. Now tell me, guys. Old style is what? Client application passes multiple values to what? VO class object. Client application passes multiple values to controller class object as VO class object. Here, DTO class object. Here, BO class object. Right, guys. Like this, the data will go, guys. Service, array, presentation logic means reading inputs, writing outputs, displaying output. Monitoring logic means monitoring which request going to which service class, all this stuff, guys. Business logic means calculations, analyzations, come on. Calculations, analyzation, filtering, sorting, all the thing. Persistence logic means code operations, guys. Understanding my statement, guys? Array, there may be helper classes for DAO, there may be helper classes for service, there may be helper class, but these are the main component. These are the main components. Are you getting my point? Presentation logic represents UI logic that gathers input and displays the output. Okay. Next, business logic, service logic. Business logic, service logic represents calculations. What, guys? Calculation. Business logic, service logic, come on, guys. Represents calculations, analyzations. Okay, filtering, sorting, and etc. Yeah, persistence logic represents code operations on DB table, guys. Code operations on DB table. Next, code operations on DB table. Monitoring logic, okay, represents, okay, controlling activities on the application flow. On the applications flow. Super, guys. Now listen, guys. To reduce number of classes, in application development, the industry stopped using 3 Java beans, 3 types of Java beans in single application, in single project. Rather, they are preferring single Java bean in all places. That is model class. Come on, guys. Rather, they are preferring single classes in all places. That is model class, guys. Yes. Look at this standalone layered application again, guys. Standalone layered application, guys. Yes, boss. Tell me here, model class object. What is this, guys? Model class object. Guys, 2 minutes. Model class object, guys. Yeah. Here also DTO is not there, guys. Here also model class object. Model class object. Here also DTO is not there. Here also model class object. Here also model class object. Model class object, model class object, model class object. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Come on. So everywhere same Java bean. Nothing one Java bean only they do all the three activities. Everyone got the point. This is the latest trend. This is the legacy style, guys. Layers are not changed. This is a legacy style. Legacy means old style. Legacy style. Nothing but old style. This is modern style. That's why modern style. Everywhere this is the latest trend, guys. Yeah, some places they use DTO modern, DTO model both, guys. But maximum places they will use model class everywhere, guys. Modern style, guys. This is this. Right, boss. Web-based layered application, guys. Web-based layered application. Web-based layered application. Tell me, what will be there in web-based layered application, my dear? Browser, view component, HTML or JSP. HTML or JSP. Controller servlet. Service class. DAO class. DAO class. Here is my database software. Here is my database software. Presentation logic. Next, monitoring logic, guys. Here is my business logic. Here is my persistence logic. Here is my persistence logic, guys. Okay. Yeah. How the data goes, guys? Old style, new style, model class object. Here also model class object. Here also model class object. Here also model class object. Yes. Database software represents data or not, guys? Okay. Yes, guys. In this is a legacy, modern style. This is straight away modern style I have given. This is straight away modern style, my dear. Fine. Okay. Now listen, guys. Yeah. The model class itself becomes DTO class if the project is sending data to another project over the network. Another project over the network. Another project over the network. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. People are asking me one question. Here model class is not required. Miss my mistake. Here the data goes in the form of SQL queries, Babu. SQL queries are text queries, right? Here everything goes in the form of SQL queries. SQL queries are text queries, my dear. The SQL queries are text queries, boss. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on. Fine, boss. This is the old style, guys. This is my modern style. This is modern style. Here also modern style. Here also modern style. I think you got the clarity. Are model class is nothing but entity class, ra babu. Model class is nothing but model class is equal to entity class is equal to BO class is equal to domain class is equal to persistence class. All are same. All are same. Different people prefers using different terminologies. Okay. In this, we are going to take DAO class now. I think long back I discussed advantages of layered application. Did I talk advantages of layered application? Clean separation between logics. Modification done in one layer logic does not affect in what? Other layer logics. Okay. Maintenance and enhancement becomes easy. Productivity. Layered applications are bad. Bapre. Arun, what's happening, guys? I said layered applications are bad. Right. Fine. You said, I never said. Layered applications are good. Okay, guys. Yeah, most popular terminology is model. After that, entity. These two are very popular terminologies. Yeah, parallel development is possible. It is industry standard. All projects prefer to develop them as what? Layered applications. Recollect all these points, guys. I hope you remembered all this stuff. Okay, guys. Yeah, in this one, I'm going to take a DAO. It is also called a DAO pattern. DAO pattern. DAO pattern. These are JEE patterns, guys. Now, each project development takes time. Why? Because layered applications, every time. So far, Ganga means standalone, we enjoyed, right? But now layered application takes time. So here also we are going to see important JEE patterns, guys. No doubt in that we are going to see the important JEE patterns. Got the clarity, boss? Come on. Right. So don't miss tomorrow's class. Tomorrow onwards, DAO pattern, which is also called DAO pattern. Industries like that, guys. They create pronunciation out of abbreviations. RAD tool, RAD they call. WSDL file, they call it as WSDL file. WADL file, WADL file. They create pronunciation out of abbreviations. They create pronunciation out of abbreviations. Got the clarity, my dear? Come on. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow.